قشقم چشمانی قشنگی تو آخ صد قشقم چشمانی قشنگی تو
Le ticket passage. Le ticket passage.
C'est moi quoi?
Mi balai.
Ok, merci. So good afternoon from here in Tunisia. This is actually my first day out, just to walk around, just to see how life is here. So this video here is just gonna be like my first impression of how to get around here in Tunisia. And today, lucky enough, like it's pretty warm as well. I actually wear a woolly hat, wore a jacket and a jumper as well, thinking it's gonna be hot because the past few days it's been like really cold. But today the weather's pretty nice, so lucky, and it's a good day to go out filming. And here I'm gonna be with Emmanuel. Emmanuel, you know, yeah, Emmanuel, I met him just yesterday. He's from my country as well, Congo, Kinshasa, and he's been living there for the past 2 years. So I've been fortunate enough, like he said, he's going to take me around to show me around certain places. And this here is his actually neighborhood where he used to study. And he told me that he studied computer science and now he's graduated and now he's still living in Tunisia. So fortunate enough for him to show me around this part of the city. And at the moment we're just waiting for our coffee. 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 Yeah, he's drinking coffee as well, espresso. I'll be drinking an espresso as well, but it might be a bit bigger. So yeah, let's get the day started. Let's go.
Like this, sir?
Yes, this is perfect. So we're now in a market area. We're just around the corner from where we was having coffee. Oyo marché oyo comme dans nini?
Marché à Babel Kadra.
Babel Kadra. Babel Kadra. Yeah, yeah, market of Babel Kadra. I think that's what it's called. So we're just gonna walk around here. I think most of the clothes, they're like second-hand clothes as well. And pretty much everything's been sold here as well, like shoes, bags, books, yeah, pretty much everything. And today's a Tuesday afternoon. There's quite a lot of people here, so we're just going to take a bit of time and just walk around just to see what they're selling, how much they're selling stuff for. Yeah, and the market's quite big as well, like just one long street.
Oye, buena, hey!
مدام 10 كبوت مدام بس باويشه مدام كبوت قريب ينطق مدام 10 دينارات مدام ظهراني مدام عبسه وفولير مدام عبسه وهبيل.
Oui, nous, c'est un prix moko ou c'est un prix différent pour la bloc.
Non, oui, ça, prix moko, 10 dinars.
10 dinars. As I was walking by, we came across some Air Max. I think this is the 97, and the guy said it's 130 dirham, which is like £33. Do you think I should get it? C'est combien ça, the Air Force? Oui, ça. 130. Ok. Ok. On peut entrer? Oh, regarde. Merci. Okay, let's go inside. He's the first shop owner to tell us that we can go inside and have a look. Oh wow, he has a TN's.
TN.
Ça c'est 130 aussi?
Non, 120.
100 bas. 100?
120.
Oh, 120. Oh. He says the TN is... Oh, TN plus 3. Yeah, all of it is under £35. And there's quite a lot here. Yeah, I might come here and just get a bargain for Christmas, especially the TNs. I might come cop one. And he has some hoodies as well. And I heard everything is all manufactured here in Tunisia. Even the trainers and hoodies, everything's all done here. They even have the Harachis. Harachis, they're really hard to find back in the UK. Ça, c'est combien? 100. 120. Ah, ok. Harachi. Ah, les noirs, j'ai préféré les noirs. Ah. It's been really difficult trying to get the prices for some of the items, because if you walk into a store, you ask one of the sellers, can I film, or can I ask you a few questions? Straight away they'll be saying no no filming, something like that. Or if you want to film, they'll be telling you to pay them 15 dirham. But the person that we just came back from, where he was selling the trainers, he told us to come inside and he was alright to film as well. And he even put the volume down because he was playing music, but he put the volume down so I was able to film in there as well, so I don't get a copyright strike with my channel. So yeah, that guy there, it was pretty good. I might come back to him and try to negotiate some of the prices of the trainers next time on another video. But yeah, so far it's been good. Everyone has seemed friendly, but obviously some of the shopkeepers, they don't want you filming inside the store. Yeah, they don't want you to profit off whatever they're selling or whatever they're doing. And now, does that go wapi? Bourguiba. So right now we are at Bourguiba, and it says there, I love Tunisia, Tunis. Guess we can cross. And I was just being told that here it's quite difficult to film because there's a lot of parliamentary buildings here, so you just need to be careful what you film and what you capture. And just here is the Catholic Church. Okay. And this is the biggest Catholic church here in Tunis. This part of Tunisia feels like very European. Like there's a lot of cafes, people sitting outside. Yeah, it seems like a little chilled area, chilled vibe. I see people setting up lights and sound equipments across the road there, so I think there might be a concert later on this evening, but we're just gonna go and ask just to find out, and if there is, I'll be there tonight. So they just told us there want to be a performance happening here at 5 o'clock today, which is like in a few hours, so we come back later on to see who's performing and what type of music it will be. Salam. So this part of town, there's like a lot of police officers, more than I've seen around here in Tunisia, I think, because they're trying to protect all the businesses, all the properties around here. So yeah, there's quite a high security presence around here. Obviously I can't be filming the police officers, because in some countries if they catch you filming them, they will tell you straight away, like, delete the footage, who are you, what are you doing here? So you just need to be careful sometimes, like what you're filming. So I guess this is it as the first impression of Tunisia. As you saw, that it was quite a busy city, Tunis anyway, the center of Tunis, where we went to the market and we went to, that's la deuxième fois, on appelle ça Montréza. Comment son nom? Bourguiba, yeah, that's it, Bourguiba. It was only like my 4th day here. I memorized some of the names, and I want to say thank you to Emmanuel for showing me around. Merci pour le Laetitia. And now we're just sitting here just waiting for something to drink by the coast. And one thing as well, today when we was at Bourguiba area where I was filming the clock, we actually got stopped by some undercover police people, interrogated for maybe 20 minutes or something like that, where they were just asking us what was filming, where it was coming from, and if they can see the footage as well. Yeah, it was pretty intense. Like, one of the guys was like, they can go, we've seen everything, they've got my YouTube channel. Wait, here's my drink. Merci. So we're having some orange juice. But yeah, one of the police officers was like, let me see your YouTube channel. He even subscribed to my YouTube channel at the end of it. But there was like maybe 4 of them that was literally surrounding us and asking us questions. And there was a lady with them as well. And this lady, she did not want us to go for some reason. I don't know how many more questions were they planning to ask us, or how many more information they were planning to get from us. But we pretty much told them everything, and we showed them everything, and they even asked for passports and stuff like that. And lucky Emmanuel had his passport, but I only had a copy of my passport. But yeah, if you come to here in Tunis, right in the center, just be careful what you're filming and who's watching you, because we already saw them as they were going past us, watching what was filming. They have to just thought, okay, this is enough, let's go and find exactly. But apart from that, they were pretty friendly. And in Tunis as well, like everyone, they seem chilled, friendly as you're going by. If you're filming as well, people are waving and yeah, smiling. It was cool. But the only thing is, like, if you come here during December, just bring a jacket because it's pretty cold here. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little tour of Tunis, just walking around, just feeling everything, seeing how it is. And later on I'll be able to do more activities, so yeah, stay tuned for more videos to come. So I'll see you on the next one. So for me and Emmanuel, goodbye, au revoir.
Goodbye.
Okay, merci.